Fujian Steel Egg Hardware Technology Company Limited is the professional manufacturer who positioning premium Kamado BBQ Grill Series production. Via 17 years hard working on offering product with assured quality and affordable price, we had become professional ceramic BBQ grill manufacturer with 32,000 square meters workshops, property, advanced facility like laser cutting machine, world's first automatic 100-meter electric tunnel kilns. Besides, we passed factory audit like BSCI, LFGB. Heavy-duty orders witness our quality. Benefit from our vertical supply chain, from tooling to production, from ceramic part to metal. We are proud to say that SEB Kamado is the only manufacturer who can produce both ceramic part and metal part in world. Over 95% part is produced by ourselves. Thus, we offer much more competitive price and the controllable quality. Also, more flexible terms to meet our customers' customized demand. Now we own 11 senior engineers for barbecue developing, 7 experienced QA, and over 10 sales, graphic designer team to serve our customer. We keeps focusing on customized product solutions for customers to ensure the branded, private label product offerings are relevant and competitive for each market on a global level. We are the right one who is deserved to be your solid partner to develop much more markets together.